dog actually catches a frisbee in midair.
Yeah, right.
Didn't Quila be able to do that?
No?
I'm serious. Robert throws a frisbee. He's got like 5 frisbees. Robert throws a frisbee. Dude, that dog follows that frisbee and leaps in the air like the dogs at the dog show.
Oh, because that's what kind of dog he is. Quila, you dummy! It's right here.
What do you mean? Chef and Begar don't freaking catch frisbees.
That's what kind of dogs they are. You're supposed to train them to do that kind of stuff. Yay!
You got it?
Yeah. Come here.
Don't step on my grass seed.
What's your name? Piston, go away. Piston, get out of here. Get out of here.